Yes, you started a business and then you are running that business. You know how it feels when you started a business and you're moving it, you are running it, and then at some point you were cash strapped. I've faced this several times, a number of times, especially if you are running business in Nigeria. You need quite some backbone, or let me say some support, in order for your business to thrive. And there could be a particular project you want to do or a particular purchase you want to quickly make and can really help you make a lot of money, and then you couldn't make that profit. But if you have access to funding or you have access to quick cash, there was a time I was doing e-commerce business, and then it was the Black Friday period. I had 1 million naira ready. This was like maybe 7 or 8 years ago. I had like 1 million naira to do the Black Friday. I was ready for the Black Friday. Like, hey, I'm gonna crush it. 1 week into the Black Friday, I exhausted my whole 1 million because the product I was buying is mid-end products from 12,000 to 20K. So if they order 10 pieces of that product, I need 120 or 200,000. Within 1 week, they ordered more than 50 pieces. My 1 million was exhausted, and then I had to turn off my store. And I was looking for money. I turned off my store for 1 day. And I'm like, no, I'm ready for this Black Friday. I'm going to do all what I can do to raise money. So then I called a friend of mine who was working in a financial institution. I said, guy, you be boss. Send me, I need urgent 2M. He said, okay. This is what we can do. I'm going to give you from my own savings, but on an interest. I said, no, voila. I will give you 10% interest in the month. And then he said, no problem. Gave me the 2 million naira and I put it back into my business. It was exhausted in another 1 week. And then I said, no, this store, I wouldn't turn it off. Then I went to meet my supplier. I said, hey, I bought product of 3 million naira. I need a product of 2 million naira more on credit. And then he gave me that product. So I was trading with 5 million naira cost price of product with a 1 million naira my capital. 2 million from a friend and 2 million credits. So what if I don't have those people around me? How would I have done it? My business would have gone down. I would have turned off my store because I couldn't meet up with a number of orders. So I pitch on different businesses on this platform, Financial Power YouTube channel. I talk on business, investment, personal finance. And then your personal business or personal, of course, business, I wouldn't advise you to take money for expenses. You can take it to grow your business. So there is a finance house that I will be pitching out to you in case you are in need of money. You are already running your business. You don't take the money to food and expenses. You don't take the money to food and expenses. Neither will you take the money to food a business you are just starting. I advise people, any money you are taking should be, or any short funding or short loan should be on an existing business that you have already been running for a minimum period of 6 months. So 5 years or the likes or what have you. So you can get this fund from Seedverse. Seedverse is a finance house that offers funding for business people. Remember what I said. It is not that you are using that money to fund your business and then you are learning the process, or to start a business rather, but you are using the money to fund a business that you know that, there are some short loans in the bank. It's a month. They give you 10 million, you clear a goods, and then you sell it within 1 month. You pay them back their money in 1 month. There are short-term fundings like that. But this one is not going to be short-term as 1 month. You can do 3 months, you can do 6 months, you can do 1 year, depend on you. And another beautiful thing is that while you are paying for that 1 year, if you're already on year 8 or year 9, you can reapply for another funding. And then they know how they will do it in a way that, okay, take for instance, I got 10 million naira, and on month 10, I'm getting 10 million naira for 12 months. And on month 10, I've already paid up to, let's say, 10 million naira on month 10, of course, with interest. You can reapply for another loan even though you have not finished paying your loan. Maybe you've paid it to like 70% or 80%. Then they will give you, because you already have a track record, they will give you a new loan, and then they will deduct the previous balance. So if you have a balance of 2 million, and then you say, okay, before this 2 million end, I need another 10 million naira loan, they will approve that, and then they give you 8 million. They will use the 2 million to balance your loan that is yet to be finished, if you get what I mean. So this is an opportunity for somebody that has a deal that he wants to do. You know, Nigeria sometimes who haven't spent or interact with my audience in the globe, I've realized that access to fund is not easy in Nigeria, but you know, access to wealth is easier in Nigeria, because you can make a lot of money when you operate business if you know what you are doing in Nigeria. But the backside is that there is no easy access to fund as it is in the diaspora. In other European nations, there is access to fund. You can take credit, but the opportunity, there are little opportunities there. Even though there are opportunities, you can't build it in one day. It's going to take you years. But in Nigeria also, you can't build it in one day. But if you have knowledge, it's just a matter of short time. 1 to 3 years you are gain if you know what you're doing. So Seedvest, I'm going to drop the number of their representative in the description button. Okay, I think her name is Shade. She's one of the representatives of Seedvest. This video will be on my channel for the period that I know she's operating. Of course, it's Seedvest care line. So, and then I'm going to remove it or do an update if there is another person handling it. Shade, reach out to her and say, I called, I want to inquire about Seedvest Finance House from Financial Pole YouTube channel, and I'm interested in your facility. They can show you the percentages they have depending on your duration, whether it's 6 months or 1 year. They can also show you the amount you are capable or you are qualified to obtain. So depending also on your qualification, and then if they size it up, they can know that, okay, good. And then if you have a collateral, you can put a collateral. But one thing is guaranteed: they can give you what's it called, amount of money from 1 million to 100 million. Your qualification determines. They check your bank statements. Of course, it's not a free money and they just pump to you. You have to earn it. It has to show that, oh, this person has been operating a business and it is running, and then there is a going concern tendency of that business, meaning your company has a lot more tendency of perpetual existence, meaning it can last for a longer period of time. So, and then after evaluating you, all you just need to do is to fill the forms, and then the necessary information they will be requiring from you. Of course, Shade will reach out to you for a Seedvest, will respond to you, a Seedvest representative. So this video is sponsored by Seedvest. You don't want to miss out on this opportunity if you're operating in Nigeria. And then, of course, if you're operating in Nigeria, what business are you investing? Are you investing in the real estate? Are you investing in the manufacturing? Are you investing in trading? In fact, if you trade, you have more opportunity because you have inventories that you can say, oh, this person is qualified, he has inventories, he just needs more money to get more inventories. So people who are in the trading business, you buy and sell, you are into other forms of businesses, maybe you are into selling of vehicles, they need people like that. And then you obtain your money. And the beautiful thing about this, even if one thing I tell people as a business person, you don't have to wait until you need money before you start creating business relationship with all these finance houses. It is not when you need money, because there will be a time you might need 10 million or 20 million, because you don't have any track record with them, they can't have access to it. So, but if you don't even need the money, okay, let me just get $1 million and then I pay back. Okay, I say I want it for 6 months, I pay back in 3 months. You have built the relationship. Okay, 3 million, I don't really need it, but there will be a time that, oh, I need 20 million to do a deal. Because you have constantly created a track record, you can easily do what? Obtain that loan. So it's something you can work out for. But if you don't need the funding, you don't need to reach out to them. You don't need to reach out to them if you're not a business person. You don't need to reach out to them if you're not funding your business. Don't take the money to foot your personal expenses, because it's going to be draining on you, because it's not free money. You're going to pay interest on it. So reach out to them, know the packages, and then see if you can go ahead with it. I'm Financial Paul. a member of the Institute of Chartered Accountants. I teach and train people on money, finance, investment. My experience in business for over a decade. I teach practical business education. So consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and also click on the like button, please. Yeah, please just click on the like button. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day. Bye.